Hey there, I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. This presentation is all about answering my subscriber's query and also to make a presentation on the topic which he wants. He or she replying to my subscriber's comments. As one of my subscriber mentioned that he wants to learn pivot table but he didn't understand that where to use those headers in which column or in row in which field. So this video is all about that. Everyone can learn it. This presentation helps you to create a simple and a basic pivot table which your client will able to understand. So for a clear understanding of headers, what to use and in what field which headers should be used. First of all, we are having 4 sections which includes rows, columns, values and filters in the drop field. On the right side of the page at the bottom you can able to see the drop fields here options. There you can able to see filters, columns, rows and values. Let's see about rows. In rows you have to mention only the categories or names. For instance, names or products or cities or dates. Example, product you can use products name like this. You can drag and drop it in rows or any names in it. For columns, in columns it includes subcategories which can be of months, dates or even genders. Example, month names. Next, for values as the name mentioned, you can use it for only for calculation. So you can able to use sales amount, quantity or scores. For example, total sales. At last, filters. Also it helps us to filter the entire table. Where can be used? It can be used for date, range or regions, etc. For example, 2024 only. If you want only the particular range or particular date, you can use this filter option. So for creating a pivot table, first of all I have to have the table of data. So in the first column of header I'm giving it as a product as a header, and in second column I'm naming month as a header, and in third column I'm naming it as sales or amount. You can just open a sheet. After that you can simply click on a cell and start typing. After this I want to adjust the column, so I'm dragging it. Now it perfectly fit. Now in products I'm giving the product's name. The first product name will be as pen, so I'm gonna type it as a pen. After entering, click enter. This will help you to move to the next cell. After pen I'm entering it as pencil, also next pen and also next as pencil, vice versa. Next in month I'm entering it as Jan, next also Jan. Also for last both columns I'm entering it as Feb. You can also able to use flash fill here because the same name can be written multiple times by using the flash fill option, which is the data validation tool. Drag it. At the bottom you can able to see the plus icon. Click on it. Drag it, and at the bottom you can able to see one square. In that at the bottom you can able to see flash fill. I have already posted a video about using the flash fill. Now in sales I'm entering amount as a numerical digits. You can give any number you want. I'm typing randomly. This is just for your understanding. After entering, I'm going to change the header's background. So I'm going to home, and you can able to see that fill background. Choose the icon. Now you can able to choose your color according to you. I'm choosing blue. Only for the headers I'm giving colors. If you want to use the pivot table, first of all you have to select the table. So I'm randomly clicking one cell and I'm pressing Ctrl+A. This will help us to select the table. After selecting, now you can able to see only the data which I have entered have been selected. For this only we are selecting Ctrl+A. After this, go to insert and select pivot table. Choose the first option from table or range. The second option is for external data source that we don't want. Now you select the first option. After that this dialog box appears, so I'm clicking it as OK. Now this is known as pivot table. The pivot table have been appeared. After enabling the pivot table, at the top right you can able to see all the headers of the table which we have created. You can able to click on it. The results will be shown in the spreadsheet. Now at the bottom you can able to see those drag fields. That is the place where we will be dragging and placing our headers. So I am choosing first on product. I am placing it in a row. Why I am choosing it in a row means because in row it has to be categories like product name or name, and in month I'm choosing it in a column because the column should contains only the subqueries like genders, months, etc. And also the values I have dragged in sales amount because the values, as the name mentions, the values represents the calculations. After dropping on the fields, you can able to see that the pivot table has been created. At the top of it you can able to see the filters. Also you can able to use label filters or value filters according to whatever you want. This is how you will be able to create your pivot table, and all these are basics. The fields are of four types. They are rows, columns, values and filters. In rows it should be only of the categories or products or names, and in columns it should be of subcategories like months, genders, etc. And also in values, as it mentions, it should be of calculation. And filters, as the name suggests, filters mean it enables us to filter the tables. I hope you understood how to create your pivot table, and also by using your headers how to drag and drop it in different fields of rows and columns. Now I hope that you are understood about. Always make sure that your pivot table should be of less data and should be neat and clean, which helps your clients to understand it quickly. Hope now you understood. Also, if you found this video was useful, don't forget to like, comment, share for more videos like this. Thank you. Also, you can post your queries in the comment section. I will reply and make a video of it.